Say hi, Valerie.
Look, I got smoothies over here. Is this peanut?
No, almond. Go get one for ate. Be careful.
Fruit juice? Are we gonna make a fruit juice? Are you, Dad?
You want it?
Mom, are you gonna make a fruit juice?
Yeah.
No, I don't want it.
Why?
I don't know what it
That's healthy. But Rodjhay?
You put a long line. Because it's long? Oh! Look, a smiley face. Everyone, I got these today. So let me open marbles, assemble, lollipop, push-ups. Okay? Okay. This is gonna be a little tricky. So you might ask your mom to get out the big scissors part, okay? So we got Captain America. Let's open. The lollipop inside. And we're gonna close it. And then wait for it, wait for it. So let's go open it. I'm so excited. Okay. We got Ratchet. This is cool. The other one now. Okay, now let me open the other transform. I'm coughing. Oh, we didn't got this before. What do we get? Let me check the checklist. Look what we got. Let me try to kind of open it. We got green, orange, and blue. Hi everyone, I got this. Let me start off with the orange. Okay. Whoa. I'm gonna put it on Ratchet. Okay, let's go and let the putty is super squishy. Okay, let me get Ratchet and then let me cover him. Oh no. Look, good slam on me. Yes, I will. I will put putty on you. That'll help you. Oh, I'm gonna open the green one. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, this is super gooey and it's like the grass. Okay, let me put blue tag because he's green and it's the same color as him. Okay, let me open the blue. Whoa. This is awesome. Let me take out the blue. Okay. And this is like the blue sky. Okay, let me squish the blue and putting okay, it's hard to smash it. Should we roll it or should we just put it? I hope we just put it. Okay. Okay, this is blue egg. Okay, let's go and use the push. Marble Adventures push up. Let's go and do the blue. I'm gonna open. Open my buddies. Ah! I'm gonna open my buddies. Ah! Let's go and put the blue one. I'm gonna open the buddy. Uh-oh, it's stuck. There's a coming. Okay, let me get the orange. Okay, let's go and open. You remember who is this? It's Ratchet. He's cool. Ratchet. Okay, the blue one. Who remember this? Is Ratchet again. Okay, this Ratchet looks kind of angry, so let's put him down. It looks like Captain America's hungry because he did a lot of job today. Let's feed him a blueberry. Let's go and feed him more. Okay, we're done with the blueberry. Let's go and eat the orange. I think he doesn't want orange no more. Okay, let's feed him a pickle. He's hungry. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later, Rodjhay, new toy collector. Bye. If you go too close, I'll eat you.